Hey, what's up, everyone? Today is July 18, 2023. We're going to talk about the graph real quick, give you all the update as to why the market is still geared to continue to fall down to a dime. So let's go ahead and talk about the video, because I did a price prediction in the graph right here on July the 7th, looking for the market to do just that, go down to a dime, maybe 11 cents. You guys can see our ultimate TP price is around 10.5 cents. But of course, let me show you why I still suspect that the market in the graph is going to continue to go lower. The first reason is because of what occurred on this particular day. You guys can see that an up fake was created into the market in the graph. That's the first indication that weakness and selling is still present. The second reason why I suspect price in the graph is going to continue to go lower is because following that day on the 14th of July, the price action in the graph right here, the market has been unable to trade above like 0.123. Let's just do 12.5 cents. The market couldn't trade above it. I mean, it's been 3 days, the 15th all the way until the 17th of July. The price could not trade above that level. That is acting as resistance. So those two reasons right there confirms that our price prediction that we have for the graph is still on point. And the third thing is going to be when price cracks this downtrend line, which the graph has been on ever since February the 7th, 2023. That would definitely put the nail in the coffin on this price action for the graph to see it go down in price. That's it. I'm done with the video already. Just to show you how you can tell whether or not the market is still in your favor, or if it's moving out of favor for your analysis. Here it is on the 2-day chart. Here's the graph on the 3 and the 5. Okay, so I'm not necessarily saying that price overall is dramatically weak, or if it's terribly weak, it's not, but we can still see it drift lower in price. Like, I'm not looking for a plummet or a crash, nothing like that, but I can still tell that the price action in the graph is still weak. Now, there was a time from when I created this price prediction that the market in the graph was in our profit area. That was our first target, was 11 cents. Did you grab it? That's one thing that you have to understand when you come into the cryptocurrency space, is that you need to go in with an idea. And once it actually plays out, you got to act on it, because there's no guarantee that the graph is going to come back down to that target of 11 cents. We told you about it here on July the 7th, and a couple of days later on the 10th, it went to that 11 cent price. Did you act? Because if so, that was your one opportunity to get 6.25% there. If you didn't, then you're still sitting waiting for the market to come back down to this particular level. Now, I still, like I said, I still think price in the graph is generally more weaker than it is giving us strength. I do suspect that. But will it come back down to 11 cents? That's the question. Like I said, I really don't think the graph is that weak to where we can see the market run down to like 8 cents or 7 cents, nothing like that. But I do suspect that we still have a little idea that price is going to continue to trend down. Now, check this out though. Let's say at the ending of today's trading action in the graph, and the market ends up closing up here at that resistance area that I told you about earlier. Then this market is definitely gaining more steam and is becoming more bullish. And I will have to come back and cancel out this price prediction and play the market move in the graph to the upside. So in the next 13 hours, if the market is able to come back up to the high of this daily price bar, then yeah, we'll have to come back in and change this. Okay? Because right here, even though this is an up fake bar, I can also tell that buyers came into the market on this day. And for us to see price not necessarily go down, but still maintain a price level, that tells you that there's some buying going on in the market in the graph. So that would be the only thing, or an outlier, that would make me come in and say, yeah, the market's not going to run down to a dime. So yeah, I'm going to continue to keep watch and look at how this market plays out. But I'm done. Give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.